Welcome back. In this session, we're focusing on the B2B contact research template, the perfect tool for generating deep insights from a target company. All you need to provide is the URL. The agent visits the page and immediately uses a condition node to check for pop-ups. If it finds one, it simply closes it to clear the view. Since we don't always know the page layout, we then check for a list. If a list is visible, the workflow triggers a loop list node to open and scrape each item individually. Otherwise, it just scrapes the raw page data directly. In the Run tab, you can see the execution history for various test cases. I purposely use different URLs to validate the agent's ability to handle lists, static pages, and pop-up windows. The logic held up across all environments. Since the validation phase is successful and the steps are firing as intended, we are ready to proceed with the final workflow. Now, let's move over to n8n. I've included detailed notes for each step to help you follow along. The workflow kicks off by pulling the list of target company URLs from Google Sheets. These are sent into a loop where the BrowserAct node takes over to extract all the raw data from each page. That information is then passed to our AI agent, which analyzes the content to create a detailed company description. Finally, it updates the Google Sheet with this new, enriched data for every link in our list. After the initial extraction phase, the workflow pulls all rows from the Google Sheet and aggregates them into a single string. This bulk data is sent to a final AI agent, which passes the information into a structured format compatible with Airtable's schema. We then utilize the Airtable node to commit these records to our permanent database. This is the schematic for your database. Please keep the same column so the agent works correctly. We update the same row every time we run the search. This keeps the data clean and makes sure that when you check for changes later, you are always comparing the newest data to what was there before. The resulting Airtable record provides a structured snapshot of the company data. While this example uses a basic schema, I recommend tailoring your table fields to capture the specific metadata your business requires. By refining your Airtable architecture, you can better organize the AI's output for your CRM. That concludes the walkthrough. Thanks for watching.